Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the filter function. The filter function allows you to filter your data based on your criteria. You can filter your data from big database based on your condition, and it can be extracted into specific area. It would be the same worksheet, different worksheet or different file. The filter function really one of the powerful dynamic array functions which is newly added into the Office 365. Let's go for some examples and detailed discussion. We will go for formula explanation. You can see the formula. There is 3 parameters, 3 arguments. One is array, another one is include, and another one optional is if empty. Array means the total range which is in the database. You have to select first total all range. The data you need to filter all column, you can select it. That is coming array area. That first argument. Second one is include. That is your condition. Whatever you want to give the condition, you can select the column, single column, and you can give your criteria equal to whatever you want. That is coming second one. Third one is if empty. Usually this if empty we are using whenever there is no information available in the database. You can give specific comment. It will appear on your specific cell. You can give your own comment like blank comment or any specific comment like that you can give. We will go for some examples. First I would like to introduce this table. There is 4 columns. You can see name, country, department, amount. In the name column I have mentioned some names. In the country I have mentioned some countries, India, US, UK. And in the department column I have mentioned 3 retail, web and wholesale. And amount column some amount. Then I just copy the header into right side, the area which is I am going to extract the report. I am just typing the formula filter. We'll start the bracket. Then first array means we have to select the full range of the table, your data. Then second one is your condition. For that purpose I am giving one condition here. There is 2 columns, country and department. First I would like to give department column, then I am manually typing here web. Okay, I'm just typing web, then closing the bracket, enter. You can see here all web department information filtered in the right side area. Left side you can see the formula. I just converted into text all formula, you can see the okay. This is quickly you can filter data from database. We'll go for next example. It is I am doing for number based like criteria. I am typing filter. It's selecting the range. Second one I am selecting the amount column, which is I am giving greater than or less than, whatever you can give. I am giving greater than 45,000. I'm just typing 45,000. Just close the bracket. Okay, enter. You can see there is 2 information only available greater than 45,000. Yeah, you can see. I am just changing the formula less than or equal to 45,000. There is one information available 45,000 also. That's what I have given this information. You can see the 45,000. Okay, this is coming like this. You can filter quickly your information into specific area. Okay, next we will go for multiple condition, which means the data, the formula which is we are giving, both conditions are satisfied, then only this information will be filtered into specific area. I am typing the filter. First select the full range, Then first condition is country equal to, I'm selecting that cell because I have already given here drop down list, selecting. But one thing we have to give always, multiple condition we have to give always bracket. Then we are giving asterisk key, means this multiple sign into. Then second condition, here also we have to give bracket equal to second cell which is in the down. Okay, I'm just closing the bracket. You can see here when I'm entering this one, you can see only how many, only one line is available. That means John, UK and retail, these two conditions to be satisfied, then only this information is coming into the filtering area. I'm just changing India, you can see 2, and if I'm changing into US, you can see only one information, US and retail. I'm changing into web, there is 2 information is available. I am changing into wholesale, there is no information. That's why it came here error. For this purpose, we have to use our third parameter, which is if empty. I am going to amend the formula. I am putting the comma, if empty, whatever the comment I want to give, I can give. If you want to give blank, you can just give 2 double inverted comma, or you can give inside the double inverted comma, you can give your own comment. I am giving not found. Okay, enter. You can see here that comment came in this cell, specific cell. See in the left side, you can see the formula. This is working like this. See, now if I am selecting the web, you can see the information. The same like this, we have option for OR condition also. We will go for OR condition. This is, I'm just typing filter. I'm selecting the range, selecting the column, comma, selecting the column, equal to, we have to do bracket, bracket start and bracket close. Then for OR condition, we are using the sign plus sign. Okay, then selecting second column, equal to second line. I have already given this drop down list, enter. One of the conditions are satisfied, the information will be available here. You can see here the information is filtered based on this condition, which means if it is India or web, any one of the conditions are satisfied, the information will be filtered. Next we will go for table. What is the benefit for table, you know? This is, I just created table. If you want to create it, just select inside the table, just put the Ctrl T, automatically will create the table. I just created table 1. Then I am just filtering it. Filter, selecting the range purpose, I have to go to the corner and I can see this type of arrow. Just click. This is the selection, comma. Then we have to go to the header. When you are clicking there is an arrow. Click there, equal to your filtering criteria, bracket close, enter. If you close the bracket and enter it, the data will be filtered as we have seen before also. Now in the table benefit, if you want to extend the information, if you want to extend the information down, if you want to enter the additional information, you can enter additional information in the database. Okay, and just enter the information, Charlie, US and web. You can see instantly the how filtered area also updated. This is the benefit of table. Okay, you can change your information automatically, it will update there. If you can add any new line and any additional information, it will be updated automatically. Now I will go for double formula, which is sort. Sort also newly added into Office 365. We will see how it will work. Okay, I am just typing the formula. Same we did before. Filter, selecting this range. This is also table. That's what we have to select other way. Just click the comma, then condition equal to country equal to US. Okay, I'm just closing it. You can see here the data came whatever the order available in the database. Amount you can see 32,000 and 17, 24 and 5,000. Now I just want to change the order. Order in the sense I want to sort based on amount or based on whatever you want. You can do like that. In that purpose, I just added one additional formula, sort, then column number. Sort formula coming, argument is coming like that. First our range, then which column. I did based on number 4, which is numbers, means amount. It is updated based, it is sorted based on our amount. You can see the smallest to largest. It is sorted ascending order. Okay, it is coming like this. Okay, now I want to explain another thing, how we can do this subtotaling in the filter area. I did some crook way. I will just explain that one, how I did it. What I did here, I just added one additional line in the database, added one additional formula, sum if. Whatever the condition you are giving in that area for the filtering purpose, the same condition I given for sum if also. You can see here, total 130, 650 it is coming based on, if it is in India, if it is India filtering, India total will come down. Like that I have given here. Then I did conditional formatting. If it is the amount equal to this sum if data, it should be bolded, like text would be bolded. The same way, if the text contains total, means if the text contains total, the word total, it will be bolded. Like that I have given the conditional formatting. You can see the formula there. Then I have given the sum if down. Okay, then what I did, you can see here blank cell here. If I am removing, I just put one space here, I enter one space. If I am deleting that one, you can see 0 here, right? That's what I just put one space. Then I change the text color into white because I don't want to see anybody what I did down like that. Okay, this you have maybe another idea. You can share your idea in the comment box. Okay, I hope you understood this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.